Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Vandeham Shri Guru Shri Juta Padakamalam.
Translation. Have you not taken care of old men and boys who deserve to dine with you? Have you left them and taken your meals alone? Have you committed some unpardonable mistake which is considered to be abominable?
So, have you not taken care of old men and boys who deserve to dine with you? So, this is Vedic culture. When there is food stuff to be distributed, the first preference is given to the children. We remember, even now we are 78, when we were children, 4 or 5 years old, we remember, some of you have seen that Mallik's Thakurwadi. Anyone? Yeah, you have seen. So, the first feasting is for children. So sometimes I was a little obstinate. I will not sit down. No, I will take with me. Well done. But that was the system. First of all, children should be sumptuously fed. Then the Brahmins, and children and old men. In the family, the children and old men, just see Maharaj Yudhishthira, how much he was anxious to take care of Dhritarashtra. Although he played the part of an enemy throughout, still it is the duty of the family member to take care of the old. When Dhritarashtra left home after being abused by his younger brother Vidura, my dear brother, you are still attached to family life, you have no sin. You are taking food from whom you considered your enemies, you wanted to kill them from the very beginning. You set fire in their home, you banished them in the forest, you intrigued against their life, and now everything is finished. All your sons, grandsons and son-in-laws and brothers and everything, yes. Father, uncle, I mean to say, Bhishma was his uncle. So all family, and in the battlefields of Kurukshetra, everyone was killed except these 5 brothers. Yudhishthira, me, Arjuna, Nakusa. All male members were killed. So, only the remaining descendant was Maharaj Parikshit. He was within the womb of his mother. His father died. Arjuna's son, Abhimanyu, he was 16 years old. Fortunately, his wife was pregnant. Otherwise, the Kuru dynasty was finished. So, he rebuked that still you are sitting here just for a morsel of food like dog. You have no sin, my dear brother. So he took it very seriously. Yes. Yes, my dear brother. You are saying all right. So what do you want me to do? He immediately come out. Immediately come out. let us go to the forest. So he agreed. He went there. The Maharaj Yudhishthir used to come first of all in the morning after taking bath, after worshipping. The first duty was to go and see the old man. My dear uncle, you are all comfortable, everything is all right. I'll talk for some time, just to please him. This is the duty of family members. Take care of the children, take care of old men, take care of a lizard in the house, a serpent in the house. This is the injunction you will find in the Srimad Bhagavatam. Grihastha, how much responsible he is. There it is said, if there is a serpent, nobody wants to take care of serpent. Everyone wants to kill. And nobody is sorry to kill a serpent. Prahlad Maharaj said that Mode to sadhurapi vrishchika sarpahatya. He said that my father was just like a serpent, a vrishchik, scorpion. So killing of a serpent or scorpion, nobody is unhappy. So, my Lord, you told me, angry, now everything is finished, my father is finished. So, that was. But still, in the Shastra says that even in your house there is a serpent, see that he is not fasting without food. This is the spiritual communism. They are now after communism, but they do not know what is communism. Everyone should be taken care of. That is communism, real communism. Nobody should starve. Nobody should have any want in the state. That is communism.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama.